right, North American, it's Wednesday. We're out on site. We've just installed this Universalift 8000 FP, one of our customers that we met at Barrett Jackson. And she went together nice. And I just have to do a quick flash of the camera over here. Hot rods being created. And then another quick flash over here to the fast, yes. Is it dirt? No. Look at that. Flathead 8 in there. Whoop, don't knock over the light. This is my kind of garage. Old school. But come out of there, drill press, old car parts everywhere. So she fits in here like a glove. We'll get some extra parking space this winter.
Yep.
Less storage fees.
Yep.
And rocking and rolling.
You're good, yeah.
Out here in central Massachusetts. Thanks for tuning in. If you need a lift, contact Christy. We still have a few of the black and red in stock. We ordered a little extra, and then the next load will be pretty much straight black from there on. And thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.